Now I'm going to flip antipasto on its head and do something slightly modern. I love this take on it. We're going to take these gorgeous little balls out of the liquid and cut them in half. And the best thing about them is that gorgeous creamy interior. I'm going to use a spoon to delicately remove some of those curds inside. So just hollow it out. And we're going to stuff it with antipasto flavours. This is such a treat. So we just want to rest them onto a plate, like so. And when you are handling your buffalo mozzarella, you want to bring it out of the fridge so it's not too cold. You get most of its characteristics when it's at room temperature. So please bring it out of the fridge at least an hour before serving it. So again, we'll just take the centres out. Just hollow that out, almost like a little buffalo mozzarella nest. It can be quite rustic looking. And to fill this, prosciutto. Again, with the prosciutto, bring it out of the fridge an hour before serving it. You'll get that lovely nuttiness from it. And just grab one of these slices and tear it up. You don't want to overpower these mozzarella balls with too much of the filling because, let's face it, it is the hero here, but just a small amount of salty prosciutto makes this quite special. A little more over here. Some olives. We'll tear the olives over the little balls. Tomato, a lovely ripe tomato. Just going to dice that. Sprinkle that over. And then some of this filling, we can top it off because that's my favourite part. So creamy, fluffy. And some really good quality extra virgin olive oil for this. You'll really taste the difference. Look at that deep golden colour. Drizzle that over the top. And it has to look like the Italian flag, so a few sprigs of basil. So we've got that definite green, red and white colours. Some freshly cracked pepper. Antipasto. A modern antipasto, buffalo mozzarella filled with all the goodies we love. It's so yummy. And this right here, chef's treats. I'll eat that before I start on those. Yummo.